So we got in the mail today 79 Bike GT. Let's see what it's all about, my friends. They say this is one of the best on the market, you know? The best bike, Surron Killer, Talleria Killer, you name it, it's a killer, man. It's no good, it's very dangerous bike. All right, so the time has finally come. This bad boy finally arrived. I've been waiting like 3 weeks for it. I ordered it before it got released. So let's go ahead and crack into this thing, see what this bad boy is all about. Let's put it together, go for a couple rips. Alrighty guys, there we have it. The whole bike's put together. It's a pretty seamless process. It was my first time putting a bike together, so it took a little while, but nothing too complicated. This thing looks freaking badass, dude. I can't wait for that battery to get charged up. Go hit the streets and rip this thing around. I mean, this bike is just beautiful. I will say the one thing, I ordered the white with the black seat, and on the picture online, it shows the black shock, and then everything else is in black, but mine arrived with red and a yellow shock. So I don't know what that's about. And there's also pictures of this bike with a bigger screen and some bikes with a smaller screen. So I got the smaller one, unfortunately, but it is what it is. All right, got the battery going in, fully charged. Fully charged, buddy. Look at that.
Oh yes. Oh yeah, that's got a lot of power. I'm scared to wheelie this. I'm not wheeling this.
All right, first ride, man. I'm so stoked. Oh, that throttle is so smooth, dude. So this thing has almost 17 kilowatts of power. It's freaking nuts. All right, this kid. Let's see what it does in daily mode. So we got 45, 47. Got 50. Shit's cooking, dude.
Damn, what the heck? Holy crap, I'm going fast. That was the fastest wheelie I've ever done. I'm flying.
Dude, this thing has freaking torque, dude. Bro, this thing flies, dude. That's ridiculous, dude. That's still in daily mode. Let's put it into, we're in sport now.
What the crap?
Holy crap, this shit flies, dude. These Lewis brakes feel amazing, man.
Thing rips.
Bro. That shit freaking pulls. I don't know what they were yelling. So fast. This shit is so sexy, bro. This light just finishing touches on that bike. On this bike was that light, bro. That was such a good design. All right, let's go light screen.
The throttle, I don't know. I heard people saying that the throttle is bad. It's good. It's smooth.
How is it?
Oh, it's good.
Very good?
Pretty fast.
Wanna pop it in sport or not yet?
I don't think so, brother.
Not today? That thing looks so sweet, dude.
Let me try the regen. Bro, the regen locked the wheel.
Huh?
The regen locked the wheel. It has so much power. I am not used to it. Especially with my Razor. It's quick, but it does not have this much torque. What? Where's the 60? The display only said 53.
53?
I think that's off.
Oh, your brakes are close. Let me try it. Let me do a GPS test on my phone. Okay, this shit flies, dude. But we are only at 53. 54 downhill. Alright, so it's pretty accurate. It says 53, the display said 53, so it's accurate. But we're like 7 miles short of top speed. So I wonder if that's just because the bike is maybe new. But I guess we'll see. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Stay tuned. I am going to be doing a range test. We're going to do a durability test. We're going to put this thing through its paces. We're going to take it to the streets of San Francisco. So I got a bunch of awesome videos planned with this thing. I'm super excited. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video. It'll be coming soon. Get it, boy. Oh shit. Almost crashed freaking looking at him.